Speaking of good looks, how about Acura's precision EV concept inspired by boats? Why boats? Well,
because it's smooth sailing.
Let's go.
Kind of look.
Lovely. Nautical.
It reminds me of the boat tail.
Nautical.
Rolls Royce.
I hear you. I just want to keep saying nautical.
Okay.
Nautical. Water. Well, I mean, you have with Lincoln, you have like the Navigator, Aviator. They have like a plane thing going on.
Sure, yeah.
So Acura wants to have a boat thing going on, maybe. Plus, it's blue. It looks cool. I like this from the front. Concept EV.
The front?
The price.
This looks like a boat.
Look pretty cool to me. Well, I don't know if it floats, but I like those shapes. The nose looks like a shark, sort of.
Yeah, very surfy.
And you got the yellow calipers in there. It's blue, so that's water-like.
I like the metallic look, too.
This is one of those ones that pisses me off a little bit, where you have no side mirrors. This is what they did with the Cybertruck. You have no side mirrors and no door handles, no nothing. Is that what I'm going to get, Will?
Well, with the side mirrors, they have the little, camera.
Are those things approved anywhere?
Out.
Is there any highway traffic control? Is there any group that's approving these yet? Because I know in concept cars, they're constantly showing them off.
But if they keep showing this, then maybe one day.
Is that how it works?
Kind of like the Vision.
Okay, let's do that then. Let's do that. Let's keep showing it, and eventually, I'm sure there's a car out there that has it, and I'm sure there's a region that allows it. I'm positive because I feel like I've seen that video. Okay. And some people I think hate it. They're like, well, the mirror's so easy, and I got to get used to this video camera. I feel like there's cars that are doing it. But anyway, the interior is very futuristic. You have another yoke.
Yeah.
Yoke, yeah. It's interesting because outside of Tesla, the others didn't really copy the yoke super quickly. They were apprehensive about implementing the yoke other than Tesla, as far as I know.
Also, if it's inspired by a boat, shouldn't it be like a wheel? Still be a wheel?
That's deep, Will.
Yeah.
That's deep. And a throttle. Just like...
Yeah. But this looks kind of cool.
Water.
It's like underwater.
It's the center display there, which is also transparent or partially transparent or whatever. That's cool. So it can display video but also it's not obstructing your view when I guess it's not in use.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Looks very peaceful.
Transparent, translucent. Go ahead, Will.
What do you mean? Transparent
or translucent?
I like the translucent. Or there's a little bit of,
What about opaqueness? What about opaque? Let me throw that in there for you.
Not a fan.
No opaque for you. Yeah. What about when you have one of those like you have a shower and the glass is opaque for privacy?
Isn't that translucent?
No, that's opaque.
Okay.
Yeah, translucent you would see too much.
I know, yeah.
I'm seeing shapes.
That's another level.
I'm seeing shapes and everything.
Yeah. Opaque, yeah.
You got to go opaque for that, right?
Sure.
Well, I was staying in a hotel recently, and they did the opaque, and I was like, this is the bare minimum. The bare minimum.
Yeah.
Interior lights up in red ambience for its instinctive drive mode when you want to battle the wakes of the road, and it turns ocean blue with underwater-like animated projection for its spiritual lounge stationary mode. We just pull over and just soothing scents. This is all very Mercedes-like.
Sure.
Essential oils in the car. Yeah, the S-Class does that. EQS did that. The Maybach we had. By the way, funny with the pronunciation. Some people were like, what is he saying? Maybach. You got to just see what the Germans say. You got to see what the Germans say. Go ahead and play it, Will.
Maybach.
Bingo! Tell me what you... Well, actually, you can say whatever you want. It's fine.
Maybach.
You can say Maybach. But every time I go to Germany, it's Maybach. So, and last I heard, that's where Mercedes is over there.
Yes.
Last I heard, Will.
Okay.
The automaker is also trying to be environmentally conscious in its materials, using recycled plastics because of the ocean, Will, and the boats, responsibly sourced wood, and 100% biomass leather.
Yeah, it's a nice theme.
which is suitable for you, Will, because I know for a fact you only ever use responsibly sourced wood in your life.
Yeah, nothing but.
All that other wood, you kicked it to the curb. You burnt it.
Oh.
What a waste, Will.
Yeah.
A lot of carbon there.
No.